You can watch YouTube Shorts by using the mobile app. All you need to do is open it up and you'll see the button for Shorts at the bottom of your screen in the menu navigation tile. It's front and center and has replaced the Explore button, telling you all you need to know about how badly they want this part of the platform to become a success. All you need to do is tap that button and boom, you're scrolling through those YouTube short videos immediately. You may also notice YouTube Shorts appearing elsewhere on the mobile app, sometimes on your homepage as a short shelf widget and perhaps even under a YouTube video you're currently watching. They are constantly experimenting with how and where to feature this new element of the platform. What are YouTube Shorts? YouTube Shorts are a video format that allows users to upload short-form, TikTok-style videos on YouTube that are vertical, or at least square, up to 60 seconds long. Segmented, have music, trending sound, or original audio added, and they currently have, on average, 15 billion views per day. Yes, that's billions with a very large B. To create a short, you can film and edit directly through the YouTube app or elsewhere, and then upload to YouTube if that's more your style. Just like we've done on our YouTube channel here. They then live on the short shelf, found on the YouTube homepage, allowing them to become an evergreen spoke in your content wheel. In September of 2020, Shorts began beta testing in India, with users able to see and create 15-second videos. They performed incredibly well, with reports of 3.5 billion cumulative daily views. With success in India, the beta was released in the US in March 2021, with daily views passing 6.5 billion. Shorts were then launched in over 100 countries. So whether you're a seasoned creator or relatively new to the platform, looking to monetize your original videos via Shorts could be the right path for you. April 11, 2022, the YouTube Shorts Fund was our first step to support how creators make money with Shorts, and over the last 8 months we've paid thousands of creators. To continue this learning, we're experimenting with different ways to reward creators from the fund, including expanding payments to more creators and raising the amount creators can earn. Some creators who didn't previously qualify may now earn bonuses under $100, and other creators may start to see bonuses over the previous $10,000 maximum. These experiments don't change payments to creators currently earning from the fund, though some may see an increase. March 10, 2022, given the recent suspension of Google advertising systems in Russia, we'll be pausing the creation of new Russian accounts on AdSense, AdMob, and Google Ad Manager. Additionally, we will pause ads on Google properties and networks globally for advertisers based in Russia. As a result, creators in Russia won't be able to complete new YPP signups at this time. The YouTube Shorts Fund is a $100 million fund to reward creators for their dedication to making creative, original shorts that delight the YouTube community. We'll reach out to thousands of creators each month to tell them that they qualify for a Shorts bonus from the fund. To be eligible for a bonus from the YouTube Shorts Fund, channels need to have uploaded at least one eligible short in the last 180 days. Channels need to abide by YouTube's community guidelines, copyright rules, and monetization policies. Channels uploading videos with watermarks or logos from third-party social media platforms, non-original videos, for example, unedited clips from movies or TV shows, or videos re-uploaded from other creators' channels will not be eligible. Creators must be 13 or older in the United States, or the age of majority in their country/region. Creators 13 to 18 years old must have a parent or guardian accept terms and set up an AdSense account for payment when one isn't already linked to their channel. How to get started with Shorts. It's incredibly easy to get started with YouTube Shorts. You can, in theory, make money from your first video if you meet the eligibility criteria. You have a YouTube channel. You've uploaded a short within the last 180 days. Your content is in line with YouTube's community guidelines. Your videos are classed as original content, so no TikTok, Reels, or Instagram watermarks. Sounds simple, but what does the monetization model look like? Each month, we'll tell thousands of Shorts creators to claim a bonus from the Shorts Fund based on their channel Shorts performance in the previous month. A channel Shorts will count toward their monthly performance each month viewers watch them, not just the month they were uploaded. There's no specific performance threshold to qualify for a bonus. The level of performance needed to qualify for a bonus payment may change from month to month based on various factors, including the location of your viewers and the overall growth of Shorts. Your channel Shorts performance is reviewed every month. Even if you don't qualify one month, you may qualify the next. How much can I earn from the YouTube Shorts Fund? Shorts monetization comes from YouTube's $100 million Creator Fund. Yay, no ads. Chunks of this fund are then paid out to reward creators, like you, each month. This looks set to continue to the end of 2022 as YouTube collects feedback from creators to decide on a long-term program specifically designed for YouTube Shorts. But what you want to know is how you can get a piece of this $100 million payout. YouTube's official line is that they will pay creators between $100 and $10,000 per month. The amount you get will be based on engagement and views. This is great for already established influencers who have other streams of income. This reward-based system puts you in direct competition with other creators. Your income is dependent on the performance of your videos and those of other creators on the platform, possibly outside your niche. And the more people that enter the fund, the less money there is to go around. As a content creator who wants to guarantee your monthly earnings, it makes sense to invest in a paid platform like Uscreen, where creators earn on average $12,000 plus a month. While they've said they will start to trial ads within the short shelf, this doesn't guarantee an ad revenue scheme anytime soon. With that in mind, there are a few ways to please the algorithm angels and boost your chances of an invite to the fund. Use trending sounds. Add the hashtag shorts into your description and/or title. Post original videos. Remove all watermarks. Play with the length of your videos. Try different types of videos. Take advantage of the use of polls on your channel. To monetize your YouTube Shorts videos, you'll just have to keep posting and promoting content in the hopes that you'll get that Willy Wonka golden ticket. How to claim your money. Once you get an invite to the Creator Fund, you'll need to actively go and claim your money. The process looks like this. Agree to YouTube's terms and conditions, and have your Google AdSense account connected. Between the 8th to 10th of each month, YouTube sends an email to let you know that you have a Shorts bonus to claim. You can then claim this up to the 25th of that month. PS. If you don't, the money goes. Your bonus is then paid into your Google AdSense account on the 21st and 26th of the following month. And then the cycle of creating, posting, and praying begins all over again. Spill the tea. Is it worth it? If you're already part of the YouTube Partner Program and/or creating content for other platforms, you might be asking yourself whether the payouts are worth it. Well, it depends. And here's why. Short-form content is still in its infancy. And while it may feel like these vertical video clips have been around forever, pandemic